Switching from Samsung to TECNO, transferring SMS while keeping all threads intact can be tricky. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to move your messages and keep your chat history hassle-free. Part 1. How to transfer messages from Samsung to TECNO via MobiKin Transfer for mobile. MobiKin Transfer Windows Mac quickly moves SMS, contacts, call logs, photos, and more between Androids. Samsung messages transfer to TECNO intact, fast, and secure. Step-by-step guide. Open the software and connect your Samsung and TECNO phones. Ensure Samsung is the source and TECNO the destination. If this is not the case, please click on Flip to switch their roles. Select the file types you wish to transfer to the new phone. Press Start Copy to begin transferring the chosen data to your new phone. Part 2. How to transfer SMS from Samsung to TECNO with SMS Organizer. Install SMS Organizer on both phones with the same Google account. Backup on Samsung, then restore on TECNO, grant permissions, and set as default if prompted. Check messages after. Part 3. How to move SMS messages from Samsung to TECNO via Android switch. On the old phone, tap Copy Data. On the new phone, select Get Started, no cable, continue. Scan the QR code, tap Join, grant access, choose Messages, and send. Part 4. How to transfer text messages from Samsung to TECNO via Google Messages. On Samsung, open Google Messages profile device pairing switch to QR. On TECNO, open Messages and tap Pair with QR code. Scan the TECNO QR with Samsung. Messages will appear instantly on TECNO. Part 5. How to transfer SMS from Samsung to TECNO via PhoneCopy for Android. Install PhoneCopy on both phones and sign in on Samsung. Grant permissions and tap Backup to sync SMS to the cloud. On TECNO, sign in, grant permissions, tap Synchronize, and check messages to confirm restoration.